In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Wix templates, step by step for beginners. We'll go from opening a brand new project to tailoring a template to fit your style, and then publishing it so it's live for the world to see. First, log into your Wix account and click Create New Site in the top right corner. Wix will ask a few setup questions to understand your goals. You can answer them for guided suggestions or simply click Skip to jump straight into the template library. When prompted, choose Begin with a template so you can browse pre-designed layouts and start customizing right away. Now let's pick the right look. Explore categories like business, store, creative, or blog, or use the search bar to find something specific, such as restaurant. Click View to open a desktop and mobile preview. Every Wix template is responsive, which means it's designed to look great on phones and tablets without extra work. If the structure and layout feel right for your content, click Edit this site to open it in the Wix editor. Focus on the layout and features you need. You can change colors, fonts, and images later. Before editing individual pages, set your site-wide style. Click the site design icon on the left, the one that looks like an A with a droplet. Choose a color theme to update your palette across the entire site in one click. Then pick a text theme to set consistent fonts and sizes. Aim for clear, readable typography and use contrast so headlines and body text are easy on the eyes. With your theme in place, start shaping your pages. Click Add Section to insert ready-made areas like About Us, Team, or Contact. To change a section's background, select it, click Change Section Background, and upload your own media or choose from Wix's library. Click any text box, image, or button to open its settings. Here, you can rewrite, copy, swap images, and link buttons to pages, anchors, or external URLs. Keep calls to action short and specific, and use high-quality images that reflect your brand. To manage your navigation, open the Pages and Menu tab. Drag and drop page names to reorder them. Your header menu updates automatically. Keep page titles concise so the menu stays clean and easy to scan. When you're happy with your changes, click Save in the top right to store your progress. Then click Publish to make your website live. From your dashboard, open Analytics and Reports to monitor traffic, site speed, and visitor behavior so you can keep improving over time. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.